फ्रेम में मत आओ तुम लोग नीचे रहो। अरे यार क्या कर रहा है यार।
पहली बार एक्टर्स को फिल्म को अवार्ड दिया जा रहा है, क्या कहेंगे इस बारे में?
मुझे लगता है अकॉर्डिंग टू मी आई थिंक एक्टिंग में मुझे ऐसा लगता है जिसको कॉमेडी नहीं आती उसको एक्टिंग नहीं आती। और मेरे खुद के फेवरेट एक्टर्स पीटर सेलर्स, जॉनी लीवर एंड समटाइम्स एक्टर्स लाइक गो विद कॉमिक टाइमिंग्स एंड आई थिंक ऐसी ज़रूरत है कि हम लोग इस बात को समझें कि कॉमेडी इज़ वन ऑफ the most important aspects of acting. So I'm very happy that Star Gold and this Comedy Honors 2007 has been initiated.
Shah Rukh, कभी लगता है कि you and Juhi coming together in a film in the near future?
Right now I have not signed any films, so I don't know, but I would love to work with her and we're doing one small bit role together, but that's not really a full-length film. I'm just a guest appearance for a couple of days in a film called Bhutan. But yes, I would love to. She's my favorite actor to work with.
शाहरुख, कभी लगता है कि आपको एक लवर बॉय इमेज दी गई है and do you wish कि आपको एक अच्छा कॉमेडियन भी लोग मानते हैं?
I have a sense of humor. I normally, when you do a romantic film or a love story, like say Dilwale, it had its own doses of comedy in it. And I don't know this image and all. I mean, I just do roles. So sometimes people like to call it lover boy, sometimes a negative role. But our films are mostly like a variety show. So you have to have a bit of comedy, a bit of romance, a bit of action. So I think I've had my fill of it. Though I don't think I'm really fantastic at comedy. I'm all right.
शाहरुख, मदर्स डे आपको क्या लग रहा है कि शाहरुख अभी मदर्स डे आने वाला है, तो आपकी फेवरेट ऑन स्क्रीन मदर कौन है?
Right now, Kiran Kher.
शाहरुख, आपको क्या लगता है ये जो कॉमेडी का ट्रेंड है, जैसे फैमिली ट्रेंड था कि फैमिली ड्रामा दिखाया जाता है, तो ये कॉमेडी का भी ट्रेंड चलता रहेगा? लोग क्या कभी
I think कॉमेडी कभी ख़त्म नहीं होती. I think from जाने भी तो यारों, उससे पहले पड़ोसन, उससे पहले भूत बंगला. Comedies have always been there, internationally and nationally. Of course, comedy genre, just a simplistic comedy genre, I think does not make for a big hit. That's what people think. वो भी अब गलत हो रहा है. जैसे बेजा फ्राई है, I've heard is doing very well. खोसला का घोसला. And people like Kundan Shah and there's some great comedy moments. I think comedy will never go out as a genre. I think it'll always be one of the mainstays.
You doing parallel cinema as well. You work with big banners all the time. So do we see you doing parallel cinema?
No, I don't work with big banners. I work with the directors. If they happen to be from big banners, I can't help it. And again, the films have to be offered to me which make me feel interested. So it's not about parallel cinema. I'm not going to do a film just because it is an art film. I do it if I feel like say Chak De India is a little serious subject, and Swades was a serious subject, and it's made by Ashutosh. Now he became a big name after Lagan, but Ashutosh is an old friend. We've been discussing films together. So for me, it's not important that I only do big producers or parallel cinema. If I like a story, I sort of do it. How are you feeling? You are at the other side of the... I'm very, very honored. I think I became an actor looking at actors like Amir and Juhi when I came to Bombay. And these are wonderful actors. And I think my friends here, Samar, Alif and Star Gold people, I think they've been really kind to allow me to do this. I'm very honored that I can...
Can you come back later?